What's up, everybody? Welcome. Today I'm super excited to share an incredible product with you. It's designed to be both elegant and really functional. And the price? You are not going to believe this. It's super competitive, giving you way more bang for your buck than you'd dream. Plus, its flexibility is high. It works perfectly for tons of different needs and spots. Find all the detailed info in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that little bell. Thanks a bunch.